Okay, Xander, you are how old?
7.
What are you going to do for me right now?
Below Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube. So here it is. I scrambled it up. I'm showing everybody that it's all scrambled. It's all mixed up. And here we go. Show us how it's done, buddy. Malachi, move, honey.
Walk away, Pop. Yeah. My boss was like, nice. Oh, you lick it off. You lick the neck.
Okay. Good job.
And a lid pop. That's cute. Yes, it's the baby. This is Mama. Big Mama. Like Mama says, and then I get these out. For the play. Oh, baby, so I used to play with. Alright, honey. Oh, this is Elsa. Do you know which one is Elsa? Do you know which one is Elsa, Malachi? Yeah. This was Cinderella. Good job, buddy. She's smart. It's Cinderella. Bobby? No, it's Elsa. Andre said I want Elsa to be that one, and it was really Elsa. Let me see. Who's this? Cinderella. Sure? Mm-hmm. That's Elsa. Yes, dude. Okay, what? Stop looking on my baby Santa's one. She looks a lot like his mom. Yeah.
Good job, Xander. Just a little 2.5 minutes.
Elsa.
Good job, buddy.
Ciao for now.